What's up, everybody? I'm Brigitte Bidet, and I'm about to show you all the things that I slap on my face to get pretty. Step 8. We take our Benign Neutral Set. This is an amazing setting powder. This thing will set the cream makeup that you apply, and if you sweat, it won't streak down your face like some other products out there on the market. So we'll take some on our powder puff, and I just like to do a light layer here because we gotta set that orange. And then I take this and I use it to set the glue on our eyebrows. I do a little bit at first to pull the moisture out of the glue. And then once it's on there, you can really press it in, seal it up. All right, we are powdered. So once I have this loose powder on my face, I can take my big fluffy brush and just dust it all away, all the excess, so that the only thing that remains is the product that I needed and not just clumped and caked powder. Well, I really love this brush. It's a big fluffy brush that's essential for any makeup kit. You need something that can just sweep all over your face. I've been using this same brush for like at least 5 years. If you wash your brushes, you can kind of keep them forever, which is amazing and sustainable. And we're ready to move on.